How to play Black Myth Wukong in mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Play Store or App Store, then search for this particular application and it is called Chiki. Simply search for it and open up this one. It is actually a cloud-based gaming platform which will help you play different PC games on your mobile device using the cloud services. Simply install it. And Black Myth Wukong recently got added on this application. You can simply download it and install it. Currently it is paid, the game. There are some free games as well, but since Black Myth Wukong is currently trending and it is new, that's why it is paid, but they will make it free after a while. And if you want to play the similar games related to Black Myth Wukong, then just simply search for this particular game which is called Dynasty Legends 2. Simply search for it and this is the game. It is absolutely insane. This game is also quite good and quite similar to Black Myth Wukong. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.